How to allow or deny usage data access permission on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And here tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on apps. From here, tap on the more button at the top. Then tap on special access. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on usage data access. And from here, we scroll down and tap on the apps that you want to allow or deny permission to usage data access. So here, tap on the toggle button to turn off or denied, or to switch it on to allowed. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.